Hey guys, and welcome back to Summers with Wade. Okay, this is my second time filming this voiceover, but like whatever. Okay, so the title of this video might be a little bit confusing. It's called Change, and I titled the drawing Change because she's kind of like looking into the distance and like wondering what's ahead and stuff. And oh, before I keep on going, I like made the entire most of the messy sketch and it wasn't even recording, so I had to refilm me showing the initial like concept art and redoing. Well, I didn't redo it because I put too much effort into it but that's not the point. Anyway, going back to like the whole title of it, basically I mean change because I'm trying out a new editing style and it's not that prominent in this video, but I want it to be in my future videos, especially the like speed paint type, because usually my speed paints are very like, I guess, one dimensional, like you just see the top down view and that's it. And with this one I tried to give you like, I only give you one shot of B-roll, which is me like choosing out my pencils and like the color that I shade her skin with and like coloring pieces of it, and there's one bit that's in real time, but yeah, this one's very like, Jesus Christ, I had to cut that out now because it's the second time they've interrupted me and I don't feel like doing another voiceover. So what was I saying? I even lost my train of thought. I was talking about how like God, now I lost it again. Just talking about like the shot of me picking the pencils and how I shaded her skin. Okay, in other videos I'd love to do that, but with different angles, maybe one from the side, maybe one from my point of view, you know, like different things, and make it a bit like better so my videos are more dynamic and more interesting to watch, because none of you have been vocal about it, but it's like, okay, looking down at the drawing for like 10 to 15 minutes gets boring. So I've been trying it so that I it's a bit more like choppy, so that you see something starting, see it in the middle, and then it finishes, instead of just seeing the whole process, because just having it that long is very I guess not entertaining, and we're almost at the part of the B-roll, so I'm probably just gonna put music over that part so that you can enjoy it in depth. So I'll resume talking about the drawing right after this short B-roll clip. Okay, it's kind of awkward without me speaking, so I'm just gonna cut back in. This is what I was talking about, showing off the pencils, different view, great, and me picking the pencil, and you know, it's kind of shaky. I want to get like a DSLR stabilizer, but those are expensive, and I don't even know if you guys are gonna like this style of editing. So remember, I'm gonna put a poll in left corner, so that I think it's the top right corner, so that you can like see it, you know, and you can tell me if you prefer this or the other style. And this clip is top down, but it's real time, so you can get an idea of how fast I'm actually like, I guess, coloring it in. Yeah, now back to talking about the drawing. Basically, she's just looking into the future like, oh my god, I wonder what's ahead, what's in store for me. And she's wearing like this very flowy dress, and I drew her in a very flowy dress because I wanted to redeem myself from the 4th of July one, because I think that I think the drawing is nice, but I think that the dress is a little stiff and not as flowy as it was in my original sketch. But granted, I could never get things to look as flowy or as natural as they do in my original sketch. It kind of looks like she's posing, and I wasn't going for that look, but it's just a lot of stuff, but whatever. The point is that I'm trying new stuff. And also, I bought a new sketchbook. I have about 7 pages left on my old one, and I'm very excited to start this new one because I'm just gonna grab it from beside me. It's the Strathmore Vision Mixed Media Customize Your Cover Steel Blue Mixed Media cover to make your own like a sketchbook. It's the one that Drawing with Waffles has, I believe. And I saw her video decorating her like cover, and I like wanted that sketchbook, and so since mine was running out, I decided to purchase it. And I looked on Amazon, and they were pretty expensive on Amazon, but when I went to my local art store, it was only $7, so that's not bad. And the cover's like this cool gray, kind of. It looks like a cool gray, deep turquoise. I'll make a video decorating my my cover on the channel. It'll probably be up maybe not next week, but the week after. Yeah. Okay, but I really like the sketchbook, and it's not a lot bigger than mine, but it has more pages, definitely. And since it's a spiral bound, I'm going to try my hardest to sketch on both sides of the paper, because that's something that I'm very bad at. In this sketchbook, my number 6, which is the one that I'm about to finish, I started off strong, like, yeah, you're gonna draw on both sides, it's gonna be great, but then I didn't. And with my like the Canon one that I had 2 of them. I didn't want to draw on the back of them, because when I made a sketch that I really liked, I wanted it to be like, if I rip this out, it can still be a standalone piece. But I have to like learn that if I want to make something be a standalone drawing, I have to either make it on another sheet of paper or accept the fact that it's just gonna live in my sketchbook. But yeah, and also I realized her hair doesn't make sense, because if it was blowing in one direction, it would all, if the wind was coming from one direction, the hair would all be going one direction, but her hair is like going, it's like wavy, but like not wavy as in like her hair texture. It's like wind wavy, if that makes sense, and it doesn't make sense. That's what I'm trying to get across. It doesn't. And yeah. Originally, if you remember the like concept art or concept sketch, she had a sash around her waist and a band that rimmed the bottom of her skirt, but I decided to take those off because I ended up switching the dress design to like a dress with like flowers and stuff, and she has this like I don't know what that hat is called. It's like a giant floppy hat that she's holding because she took it off to admire the beautiful scenery that is non-existent, because I didn't draw it because I'm not good at backgrounds. I should really practice that. But yeah. So we're getting close to the end of the video. A little bit more talking about the art, and then I'll do my outro. I like how I did the flowers, quote unquote, because it's kind of abstract, and like your mind can figure out that they're flowers, but I didn't put a lot of detail to signify that they're flowers, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna do my outro now. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Tell me in the comments below if you like this style of video or you don't. I'll take suggestions, and also tell me what you want to see from me, because I'm always open. So yeah, remember that I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.